gonna be doing my cruelty-free makeup routine. It's currently like 11 p.m. right now, but this is like the only time that I could film because my house is way too noisy, and if I were to film like any other time, you'd just be hearing like footsteps and yelling and babies crying, so this is the only time I had to do it. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. I hope you enjoy it. First thing I do is just put my hair back, then I use my Burt's Bees beeswax lip balm. Then I use the Too Faced Hangover Primer. The next thing that I do is use the IT Cosmetics CC Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. I have the shade Fair. I normally take like not a full pump, I guess like half. I don't know. Then I just take my Real Technique sponge and then dab it in. Then I don't always use concealer, but sometimes if I have some redness or some pimples, then I will. Right now I do some, like one right here and here. So I'm gonna do that, then just dab them in. Then I use the Wet n Wild Color Icon Reserve Cabana bronzer. It's not really a bronzer. I feel like it's, I don't know, I use it kind of like to set my makeup. Just because it gives like a nice dewy finish. So then I use the Anastasia dipbrow pomade in Ebony, and I usually start from the bottom first and draw a line there, and the tail. Then I go towards the middle. Then I do the front. I just go upwards here and brush through them. Then I use the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in the shade Black. And I use the Lunatick Labs Contour Palette. Pretty much just use like the two brown shades here. And I like to contour underneath my nose because it kind of gives you like an upturned look, I guess. And I go down the sides. I also like to contour right on top, right here, just because it kind of gives you a cute like wet nose type of effect. And I like to mix these two. I also like putting some right on my nose. Then I go in with my highlight. I use the j.cat You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in Crystal Sand. And for my nose, I like using like a little mini fan brush. I feel like it's easier with the tip of my nose. I kind of do it like a side to side, like a line almost. I feel like that helps like the upturned look. Then I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. I like to use concealer to prime my eyelids just because it covers my like eye veins, and I don't know, you don't have to spend like money on an eye primer. Then I use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette. So then I go in with just like this light shade here just to set the concealer. Then I go in with like this cool tone like contour shade. This kind of like medium brown shade here. And kind of focus that more just on the like outer like V area. Are you going with like this darkest brown? I don't use too much. And then I usually just take like this medium brown color again, just for like underneath my eye. Then I highlight under my eyebrow, same highlight. Then I go with the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I like going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara first. I'm really trying to not be awkward in this video. I don't think it's working, but when I'm waiting for that to dry, I go in and do my freckles. So sometimes I switch off between like using the Urban Decay Brow Box in brown sugar and then my dipbrow. Lately I've been using the dipbrow more just because I feel like it lasts longer, but they both work. Sometimes I use both. You pretty much just have to not make like dots, like not make them evenly spaced, like it's not supposed to look like that, I guess. If you want it, then go ahead, but I personally like when they look as natural as possible. So I just dab them in. I'll even twist my brush while I'm doing it. I focus them mostly on my nose, but I do like to go outwards too, and on top of my forehead too. I love freckles. If you have freckles and you don't like them, oh, you're lucky. I'm jealous. Then I highlight the bridge of my nose. I'm very out of order when I do my makeup. Then now that my mascara has had time to dry, I'll go in with the Essence Lash Princess mascara. So I'll just go in with like a safety pin and like separate them. You just have to be really careful. I've never poked my eye, but oh, I almost did. Then it's the Milani lipstick in Matte Beauty. Okay, and then my last step is using the Milk Makeup Tattoo Stem, the star one. I like doing like little designs on my face. Sometimes I'll just do like, sometimes I'll do a heart. I'll use like a white eyeliner to use to make little like white stars. It depends, but sometimes I'll just do like dots under my eyes too, but this is like my most used, or like the thing that I use the most. Like, forgot to put highlight in my inner corner. Okay, so I think today I'm gonna put like one underneath each eye. They're probably not perfectly straight, but they never are, so. And yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, this is the completed look. And then if you have any other like video ideas, like please leave them in the comments below. I do have like a list in my notes of video ideas that I have and I've come up with over like the past 2-3 years. But so yeah, subscribe if you want to see those, because I do have some good ideas and like I'm really excited for them. So yeah, and then thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.